Well, it wasn't a complete disaster after that last one. So again, just to recap, I got deep magenta, metallic red, blue, yellow, cobalt blue, aqua green, bronze, um, phthalo green, and pink. So this one's the 11 by 14. This time I'm gonna use only 2 drops of silicone. I think one of the big things with that other one is there's just way too much silicone in it. Um, like there's a lot of spots that you can see canvas, so I'm pretty sure I just used way too much silicone with that. So how do I want to start this? Start that. Let's do the bronze this time. Some of the pink. Okay. One, two. One, two. I'm gonna try to remember to actually mix the cup. At least do a little like swipe or swirl, I should say, not swipe. It has different connotations. Got that. Did I use the pink? I'm pretty sure I've already used the pink. Right. Pretty sure I used both. Alright, so. No, I didn't. Just got done saying. So we do that and promptly forget. Oops, a little bit on the canvas, but that's alright. Okay. There we go. And go. Yeah, that's way better. That's selling with way better. This is actually selling like how everyone else does. Like with the more expensive paints. Wow, look at those. Really stretching those out. Okay. And then. Alright. Alright, I don't know what's gonna happen with all this. Probably needed more paint so I wasn't swirling this all around. But at least I finally figured that one out. That I needed to go up and use way less silicone. And it's different. This is kind of the stuff that looked, or how stuff looked when I first started. Because I was using silicone and I wasn't doing the other stuff. This is all. It looked good before, you know. Yeah. Let's just swipe it. Oops. Kind of turn into mud, but oops, not enough paint on this. That's yeah. I think less is more. I hadn't had to swirl all this around. I woke her up with that. She's awake now. Wow. I've never got this many cells before. Like, color on this is not even remotely right. But, yeah, I've never gotten cells like this. So, yay. Finally, at least I know this paint will do this. That's the thing, is I just didn't know how to do this. That was the big thing, is I just didn't know how that worked. But I think this is just muddy soup, though, for the most part. I'll see how it looks when it dries, but pretty sure I'm just gonna let this dry and then I'll paint over it. But okay, I'm gonna call this one. I don't know if I want to do the bigger one or not. I feel like no, I'll just use all the paint and then I'll have plenty and it won't go all over the place and I get something that looks really, really nice. It looked great until I had to pour it everywhere. But okay, thanks for watching.